Hello and welcome to KSG Bulletin. Here are the important news updates. FCRA bill has been passed. The Foreign Contribution Amendment Bill 2020 was passed by the Lok Sabha on 21st September 2020. The bill seeks to make it mandatory for office bearers of any NGO to provide their Aadhaar numbers at the time of registration. Among other provisions, the bill proposes to enable the centre to allow an NGO or association to surrender its FCRA certificate, reducing the cap on administrative expenses to 20% from the current 50%. First ever cargo ferry with Maldives. The first ever cargo ferry service between India and the Maldives was jointly launched on 21st September 2020, opening a new chapter in connectivity initiatives in the Indian Ocean region. The ceremony was also attended by the representatives from Tuticorin and Cochin ports, as well as officials from the Maldives Ports Limited (MPL) and the Foreign Ministry of Maldives. Next is Bill to amend Factoring Regulation Act. Lok Sabha on 20th September 2020 passed a bill to amend the Factoring Regulation Act that seeks to help micro, small and medium enterprises by providing additional avenues for getting credit facility. The Factoring Regulation Bill, which was introduced on September 14th, was passed by vote of voice after a brief discussion. Bilateral Netting of Qualified Financial Contracts Bill. Lok Sabha passed the Bilateral Netting of Qualified Financial Contracts Bill 2020, which allows for enforcement of netting for qualified financial contracts by a voice vote on September 20th, 2020. Bilateral netting refers to offsetting claims arising from dealings between two parties to determine the net amount payable or receivable from one party to the other. Memorandum of Understanding for Collaboration on Startup or Innovation. Aiming at creating a platform for collaboration between innovation and startup ecosystems between India and Israel, a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) was signed between the two not-for-profit organizations, Ahmedabad-based International Center for Technology and Entrepreneurship (I-CREATE) and Israel Startup Nation Central (SNC). So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. For more details and information, please visit ksgindia.com. On our website, you'll get organized daily updates in concise and exam-oriented way, informative editorial of the day, focusing on current issues and fortnightly gist of the important news. Thank you so very much.